Hello viewers, you're welcome to my channel once more. This is the electrical superintendent with you live and direct at Ogun State. Presently, I want to talk to you about earthing system in an electrical in domestic building. So first of all, you need to know what is earthing. So this is around the house that I'm working on. I'm actually doing cabling system in this house, and it's a big house. It's a 4-bedroom bungalow with a penthouse, and it's very beautiful. You can see this is a master bedroom. This is the step that leads to the penthouse. So firstly, what do you know about earthing? So earthing is a process which the instantaneous discharge of the electrical energy take place by transferring charges directly to the earth through low resistance wire. So that is earthing. In a layman view, I can describe earthing to you as trying to prevent electric shock, those leakage currents that return back to your appliances. Earthing system helps to arrest them to the earth, leaving your appliances in good condition and also leaving your loved ones safe from being electrocuted. Now, you all know that most of these our earthing system are not actually effective because many of these technicians lack the technical know-how on how to actually go about this earthing system. They think that is just a normal process. Like for example, this is my first pit, and this pit is 4 feet depth for a domestic point of view, and I have about 4 other pits that I dug to carry out this earthing system. So all you have to know is that lack of earthing can cause fluctuation in voltage level, leading to damage or premature failure of electrical appliances and equipment. If earthing is not properly done, you can leave your loved ones vulnerable to electrical shock, fire, and even fatal accident. So you can see this process here. I love using galvanized earth rod because you can see this is a galvanized earth rod. It's around let me say 2.5 inch. This is the knob, then this is the earth rod. You can see how tall it is. It's around 5 feet and 5 feet plus. So, and galvanized earth rod or galvanized steel earth rod is a good option to obtain a good earth resistance. So you can see this is my charcoal, these are my salt, industrial salt, and this is my first pit. So if you look closely to the first pit, you will see that they are actually soaking the ground, because this part of the country that we are now, we are even in rainy season, and since I came here close to up to like 3 weeks now, we haven't had a single drop of rain here. So you can see that it's soaking the ground to have that zero potentials, so that is how you will soak the ground, so that the ground will be very very moist. And we'll now apply this earth rod and the charcoal and the salt. So the reason why we use charcoal is very simple, because charcoal is used to retain the moisture when you soak the ground, to allow that place to be wet all the time. This charcoal, not all type of charcoal, we call it charcoal dust, is used to retain the moisture for a longer duration because it is an absorbent. We all know charcoal, it really absorbs. I'm sorry for that. It's an absorbent, and the salt is added to increase the conductivity. salt is added to actually increase the conductivity. It's not normal salt that we used to eat, we used to cook, to add to our food to give it taste. These are industrial salt. So it is used to increase the conductivity of the earth, and to have zero potentials is the key. And galvanized steel rod are good option to have or to obtain good earthing resistance. When you go to the market to buy earth rod, this is the earth cable that we are using to actually do this job. And if you are actually considering to do earthing, you also have to consider the cable. And copper cable have very very low resistance in conductivity. So it has a very very low resistance in conductivity, so you have to know that as well. So this earthing system, very soon we are going to commence it, and allow the ground to soak a little bit. It's okay, the water is okay. Let the water go down a little bit. The ground is a little bit very very rigid. We need to make it soft, because this pole is going down to the general mass of the earth. Thank you. I'll be back shortly to give you the full review of what I'm doing.